What's up, YouTube? This is my 2023 Colorado LT. I'm doing a blow-off valve. It's going all the way back here. This is the Boomba Racing blow-off valve. This was about 110 bucks. They have like different colors. I got the black one. They have like red, blue, white, black. Okay, so first you're gonna take this off. It'd be connected right here and right here. Just push this in, and it'll come off. It wasn't that hard. Be careful, it's kind of fragile. And you want to come back here and take this off and this off. Okay, so we're gonna take this off. Okay, so all I did was just unattach that. I don't need to unattach the whole thing. And now we have to, let's see if I can see it on here. There's a screw right here. We gotta unscrew, and this whole thing should lift up. Okay, pulled it off. I'm gonna loosen that one. Just set it on the top there. Can't unplug that. But now we are going to get this off with a Allen wrench. This should unplug right here. And that's where the blow-off valve is going to go on. Okay, once you get this bolt off, you'll have something like this. You don't have to take that clip off. It's going to be down just below this, where the intake hole is. Now, the blow-off valve only goes on one way. So I'm going to put that on and then try to attach it. Okay, add it on. This shit is hot. As you can see, it is on. My god, that shit sucked. Okay, I got everything plugged back up. I'm gonna start her up real quick. No difference. The turbo's going. Alright, we're gonna give her a rev. Oh yeah. Oh my god, you can hear the turbo, bro. It's so much louder. You hear it sucking. That's kind of cool. That's pretty cool. Alright, let's give it a little neighborhood test. Damn, I never realized how high the revving is on this. It's pretty decently loud.